On November the 13th, a multi-party delegation from the National Council of the Slovak Republic visited the China-Europe Railway Express Xi'an Assembly Center and the Iju Grain and Oil Industry Group. The delegation gained a first-hand understanding of how the land-based logistics network connecting Europe and Asia operates, as well as the vitality of Shaanxi's food industry within the global supply chain. The Slovak representatives noted Shaanxi's strong potential in openness, cooperation, and industrial innovation, and expressed their hope to expand practical collaboration with the province in trade, logistics, and other fields in the future.
A to, čo sme dneska teda videli v China, sme sa dozvedeli, že za oveľa kratšiu dobu je dnes možné dostať tie produkty z Číny do Európy. A v porovnaní s prepravou cez more, cez oceán, teda lodnou dopravou, je to oveľa rýchlejšie a oveľa bezpečnejšie. A teraz sme tu v tomto závode, ktorý je zrejme veľmi dôležitý z oblasti potravinárstva. Ale samozrejme u nás na Slovensku sú dvere otvorené pre ďalších podnikateľov z tohto regiónu a úlohou nás politikov je, aby sme týmto podnikateľom otvárali dvere.
In this great region you have many industries like Geely, Gotion and Volvo, and these investitions are also coming to my country, which is very important for my country. And you can see we are not only talking about cooperation, but we are also doing this cooperation, and we will bring all this achievement for our people.